How's it going, everybody? It's your favorite bearded realtor, Matthew Koch. Today I'm hanging out with
Missy Campbell.
We're with the Koch Scarpus Realty Group, and today we're in Manheim, Pennsylvania, 440 Fairview Road, home of our new listing.
This incredibly well-maintained home has 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bath, 2-car garage, finished lower level, and wait until you see the backyard views.
It's the original owner, and we can't wait to bring you on a tour. So without further ado, let's go!